Welcome back to Overheat, a Class B motorhome. The Thor Sequence is built for flexibility and adventure. It is a great option for long-distance travel and impromptu exploration because of its small size, which makes it simple to drive and park. Inside, the inside of the Thor Sequence is made to be as roomy and comfortable as possible. Leather seats lend a sense of luxury, while Euro-style cabinetry gives the space a sleek, contemporary appearance. The motorhome also has a cozy bedroom area, a shower, and a fully furnished kitchenette. The outside of the Thor Sequence has a sleek, aerodynamic appearance and a striking, contemporary style. You can store more outdoor equipment with a Thule bike rack and roof rack, and you can haul more cars or trailers with trailer hooks. Important features: touchscreen dashboard gives the driver simple control. Outfitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For extra security, use a backup monitor. Features of the Thor Motor Coach Sequence selection: the captain's seat is leatherette. The steering wheel is made of leather. Euro-style cabinet by Techniform. Single-door refrigerator with 12 volts. Thule bike rack. Roof rack system by Thule. Trailer hooks. 3,500-pound rooftop skybink. Technical details: Ramper Master is the chassis. Pentastar V6 3.6L engine, 276 horsepower. It can hold 24 gallons of fuel, 27 gallons of fresh water capacity. 13 gallons is the gray water capacity. 13.5 gallons is the capacity of black water. 21 feet 1 inch in length. 6 feet 9 inches in width. 9 feet 5 inches tall. Weight at the hitch: 3,500 pounds. 9,350 pounds is the GVWR. In conclusion, for couples or lone travelers seeking adventure and flexibility, the 2026 Thor Sequence is a comfortable and adaptable Class B motorhome.